I just cannot stop decorating. One thing that I love so much about working in a nursery is that I have really learned to use plants as the center focus for all of my holiday decors for every season. But now that it's fall and it's Halloween and then we're coming into Thanksgiving, I have chosen this plant. This is the Croton. This plant, doesn't it just scream fall? It is so perfect because it has all the colors of fall in it. It's got these bright yellows and oranges and reds and deep greens, and it just looks so well with any fall decor that you do, whether it's on your front stoop or it's inside. I just love pairing it with all different kinds of gourds and mums, and it just looks so gorgeous. Here's the thing about the Croton. If you're gonna put it outside, you wanna protect it a little bit from the cold. That's important. So number one, it's best if you have a stoop that has a little overhang on it, that has a little covering on it. That'll help keep this tropical plant a little bit more protected. Number two, when you know that cold is really coming, especially a frost, water the Croton really well, because the water actually helps insulate the root system and helps protect it from the cold. Number three, it's a good idea when you plant the Croton, always plant it in a container so you can bring it right inside if it gets to be a really, really cold night. Bring it inside at night and then you can bring it back outside during the day. It's also a great idea, number four, to actually mulch the Croton, because that mulch will actually hold in the warmth and keep those roots even more protected. The last thing that you want to do, if we know cold weather is really coming, you know, our Connecticut weather can be erratic, then what you want to do is cover it over with something cotton, like a sheet or a towel. That will really help protect this beautiful foliage from the frost. If that it's going to just get so cold that you think it just can't stand it outside, bring it inside, guys, and keep it inside. That is the beauty of a Croton. It'll make a beautiful houseplant that would look so gorgeous with any type of fall decor inside as well, and then you can have it forever. Right now, I have the Croton all decked out to really scream Halloween. We've got rats on our pumpkins, we've got skulls mixed in with it, and also the other thing that I love is that I can just take off all this decor and then I can transition it to a beautiful Thanksgiving piece. You know, some of you might say, I just don't want to go through all of that covering the Croton and doing all those things. That's okay. We have these little small Crotons, and look at that. I know the leaves are different than these larger Crotons, but they're nice and twisted and curled, and they still provide those beautiful fall colors, but they're inexpensive enough. They look gorgeous paired with mums planted outside. And then you know what? If you don't want to take them inside and out and cover them with a sheet, just treat them like an annual and just enjoy them for the holiday season. Thanks a bunch. See you next time.